just read it for you. Alright, okay, the first wish list will be a supermarket from the Sylvania, a dinner for two set, which I wanted, and a family swimming pool and a nursery party set, and also party set. That's all I wanted. So yeah, you don't need to buy it. I'm just gonna. Yeah, it's only my wish list. So yeah. So there's a link in the description for my second channel. I have my sister's video over there, so you can subscribe to my sister's channel. It's on the link down in the description, and also you can follow me on Twitter. It's at the link at the description. All of them are at the link at the description. I'm sorry. So yeah, this is only a short video. So the time is. Let me just ask. What's the time? It's 2:53 and 2:54. It's recording. Oh. So yeah, I'm sorry for the mess over here. It's kind of like, yeah. Oh, did you see my eye? It's only an eye contact if you ask. So yeah. I got a holo thing, a holo nail polish. As you can see on Simply Nail Logical, there's giveaways on holo, but I have myself a holo. It's only mine, and I only customize it. So yeah, I put some glitters there, like a blue. It's only a rainbow one, but I put in turquoise, pink, and yeah, stuff like that. So bye.